I will serve with integrity and build trust in our IAE community. Hi everyone, I am Engineer Florencio Vidarengel, PEE, MPA, APTE, AAR, IAE Senior Member, and Honorary Fellow of ASEAN Federation of Engineer Organization with more than 35 years experience in the field of electrical engineering. And serving IAE from Chapter Officer, Regional Governor, and National Officer. I am running for Governor at Large for 2026. As a leader, my governance will be rooted in transparency, exclusivity, and forward thinking. First, I want to promote the globalization of international recognition of our member by strengthening international linkages and encourage active participation in global recognition network, particularly our registered master electrician and ASEAN technologies and technician, as well as our registered electrical engineer and ASEAN engineer and AFEC engineer, as well as the very new recognition international professional engineer. Secondly, I would like to ensure the financial transparency and accuracy, especially in transactions involving large amount of bidding process. Last, I would like to intend to propose the necessary benefits, wellness support, training opportunities, and recognition program to boost the morale of our staff. I want them to feel valued so that resigning will not even be considered as an option. My governance will always reflect fairness, progress, and sincere respect to all who serve the IAE.